All right, so this next lesson is a carryover from page 80. So now we're working with packet 1, page 81, and we're subtracting a fraction, right, from a mixed number. Okay, so when we do this, right, when I look at this, the fraction in my mixed number here has a numerator that's smaller than the numerator of the fraction I'm subtracting, right? The way this is ordered, we cannot subtract right now. So what we have to do is rewrite this mixed number so that the numerator here, right, is bigger than the numerator here. Well, the first step we're going to do, right, step 1 is basically to rewrite the first mixed number, right? That's what we're going to do first. And we're going to do it like we did in the lesson before. So what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 1 from 3 to get 2. And remember, we're going to add, right, that whole number, which is 5 over 5. So we're taking this denominator and we're putting 5 over 5 because that's equivalent to 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Then we're going to add the 2/5. So when we rewrite that first mixed number, we're going to get 2 and 7 over 5. And now we can subtract the 4/5. So what do we get when we do this? Well, 2 minus 0 is 2, but then 7/5 minus 4/5, 7 minus 4 is 3/5. So when you subtract these, you will get 2 and 3/5. Okay, again, once you know how to do one of these, right, you know how to do all of them. So the first step here, we're going to rewrite this mixed number. Okay, so 6 and 1/5, break the 6 down to a 5. We're going to add this 5 over 5, and then we're going to add the 1/5. So this is going to give me, when I rewrite this mixed number, it's going to be 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. Now we can subtract the 3/5. So when I do this, right, 5 minus 0 is 5. 6/5 minus 3/5 is going to give us 3/5. And that's our answer. Okay, so I'm going to try and be a little more organized here, and I'm going to say this one. 9 becomes an 8. Our denominator is 3, so we're going to add the 3 over 3, and then our initial 1/3. So we're going to rewrite 9 and 1/3 as 8 and 4/3. Then we're going to subtract the 2/3. 8 minus 0 is 8, but then 4/3 minus 2/3, 4 minus 2, right, gives you 2 over 3. All right, now you only have to do this method if the numerator of your mixed number is smaller than the numerator of the fraction you're subtracting. Okay, so pause the video, go and try the U-tries on your own, and then come back and check your answer. So the first U-try, 9 and 4/7 is going to become 9, or sorry, subtract 1. So 8 plus my denominator is 7, so it's going to be 7 over 7 plus the 4 over 7. So we're going to rewrite that as 8 and 11 over 7 minus 6/7. 8 minus 0 is 8. 11 minus 6 is 5 over 7. Done. Okay. The next you try, 13 and 2/9. We're going to do 13 becomes 12 plus the 9 over the 9 plus the 2 over 9, and that gives you 12 and 11/9 minus 5/9, will give us 12 minus 0 is 12, 11 minus 5 is 6 over 9, but 6 over 9 can be reduced. So it's going to be 12, 6 can be divided by 3, 9 can be divided by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 9 divided by 3 is 3, so you get 12 and 2/3. So again, you're following the steps, okay? I'm going to rewrite my mixed number by breaking it down, 1, adding a whole to it by taking the denominator and putting it over itself, right? And then add your initial fraction. So here, this 9 1/3 becomes 8 4/3. And when we subtract the 2/3, now we get 8 2/3. So again, rewrite the mixed number, subtract, simplify.